Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refresh their skills, this series is designed to make programming accessible to everyone. So let's dive in. Today, we are starting with the very basics, an introduction to programming. What exactly is programming? Okay. At its core, programming is the process of instructing a computer to perform a specific task. It involves writing a set of instructions in a language that the computer can understand. These instructions, commonly known as code, enable the computer to execute specific actions. Now, you might be wondering why you should learn programming. Well, programming is a powerful skill, okay? Um, it opens up a world of possibilities, whether you want to develop software, build websites, analyze data, or even create games. Programming is the key to turning your ideas into reality. Now, there are various programming languages out there, each designed for specific purposes. In this series, we'll be focusing on one of the most versatile and widely used languages, the C programming language. So what do we start with C? Okay, well, C is often considered as the mother of all programming languages. It provides a solid foundation and is used in the development of many other languages. Learning C will not only give you a strong grasp of programming concept, but will also give you that unfair advantage while trying to learn new languages. Before we wrap up this introduction, let's take a quick look at what we will be covering in this series. We will start with the basics of C, covering topics like variables, data types, operators, if statements, loops, functions, arrays, strings, pointers, and more. By the end of this series, you will be equipped with the skills to tackle real-world programming challenges. So whether you are aspiring to become a professional developer or just curious about the world of programming, you are in the right place. In the next video, we will dive into the specifics of the C programming language. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited to start your programming journey, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding!